If you guys wouldn't mind, I'd just like to write out my weekly thank you notes right now. Is that cool with you guys? Those are the greatest. James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? Hey, James, wait a second. Do you have a book yet? Did you choose? Which one do you think?
Oh.
Nice.
He's a sly
like
little
a
devil.
sly little devil, yeah.
Cute as a bug, though.
Do you have one you think?
Blood and bone.
Blood and Bone? You gonna bone it?
Yeah. I told you, he loves the bone, man.
Yeah, that's it, Blood and Bone.
He loves the bone.
James, can I get some thank you note writing music, please? There he is.
There he is, man.
Yeah,
Jimmy Baseball.
there he is. Thank you, lifeguards. It's nice to know my life is in the hands of a 16-year-old C+ student named Kevin. Are you drowning? Are you just swimming weird? Thank you, new statue of soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo, for being how I expect to look in every selfie. And thank you, old statue of Cristiano Ronaldo, for being how I actually look. They didn't get the statue that wrong, the old one. It did look like a human head.
Yeah.
Thank you, sunscreen, for only having 2 SPF levels, useless and impenetrable fortress. Stay away! Space Force. Thank you, Weed Whacker, for making it sound like I just put a mafia hit out on my lawn. It's like, let me take care of the weeds.
Hey!
Want me to take care of those weeds? Thank you, soccer refs, giving a yellow card for looking like you just won a game of Uno.
Uno!
Thank you, pulling a tissue out of a tissue box for being the closest I'll ever come to being a magician.
Voila!
Penn and Teller, real magicians, are on the
They're
show
gonna be
tonight.
coming out
Penn and
later.
Teller, you guys. I love those dudes. Thank you, air conditioners, for being the only appliance that drools. There you go, everybody.
Yeah.
Those are my thank you notes.
On and on and on. I said, and it's on and on and on.